In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set or change your graphics performance preference for apps or third-party programs you're using on your Windows 10 desktop, laptop, or tablet PC. So if you want to have higher performance for certain apps, or maybe you want to switch to battery mode to try and conserve power when using certain resource-intensive applications. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to modify those settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up and then select the system tile. Select display on the left panel and then on the right side you want to scroll down and underneath multiple displays, select where it says graphics settings. So versus choose an app to set preference, click where it says desktop app, click the drop down, make sure it's desktop app and not Microsoft Store app, and then select browse. Then you want to go into your program. So if you may have to go underneath your local disk. And then you just would select the application itself, select add, and then you can select options and you can select either power saving, high performance, or let Windows decide or change it just based on the background settings or issues that are going on in your computer at that particular time you're using it. And then you would select save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.